Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide
for Hummer's 2006 to 2010 H3.
Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards.
Step 2. Lift up or remove your vehicle's bed. Remove your bed mount's bolt and bushing. Unbolt your leaf spring and push it out of the way. Hold your frame section up to the frame and mark off its coverage. Then, draw a line approximately half an inch above the bottom of the frame. There will also be a convex section located on the back of your frame rail that must be removed to allow proper fitment. Draw a line around that section as well. Then, cut out the bottom of your frame rail and any obstructions in the work area. Step 3. After removing the bottom of your frame rail, you will need to decide if you are going to keep or remove your center bed mount. If you decide to keep your bed mount, hold your frame section up to the frame and mark where your mount will be located. Then, cut out a perforation to allow the frame section to slide over your mount. If you decide not to keep your mount, cut off the mount at this time. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with Walther primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 4. Take your leaf spring frame section and slide it onto the frame using the frame holes to help with the alignment. Tap it into place using a hammer. You can clamp your part into place with C-clamps to ensure a tight fit. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your leaf spring frame section onto the frame before welding it on fully. If you decided to remove your center bed mount, we show you how to reinstall it with the installation videos on our YouTube channel. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your leaf spring, bed mount bolt, bushing, and your bed. Then you're done.